Operating an Exmark zero-turn riding mower is a unique experience. Versatile and highly maneuverable, your zero-turn mower handles differently from a conventional mower. To familiarize yourself with the differences, practice driving your Exmark mower on a flat surface, away from people and obstacles, until you are comfortable with its unique handling characteristics. It is important that you drive in the safety zone each and every time you operate your mower. Driving in the safety zone means making the choice to steer clear of high-risk situations and hazards, and choosing to use a walk-behind mower or a hand trimmer near drop-offs, water, or on steep hills. Before operating your Exmark mower, carefully read the operator's manual supplied with the machine. This video is intended as an overview and is not a substitute for the detailed information contained in the operator's manual. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the safety decals on your machine. These decals indicate areas of potential danger and provide further instruction. Replace any decal that is damaged or lost. Proper footwear, hearing, and eye protection are recommended when operating any power equipment. Avoid loose-fitting clothing and jewelry that could get caught in moving parts. Your Exmark mower is not a toy. It should be used by experienced, mature operators only. Never operate the machine while under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Safety demands the operator's complete attention. Your Exmark mower is designed with a safety interlock system. This prevents the engine from starting unless you are sitting on the seat, the parking brake is set, the PTO is disengaged, and the control levers are in the neutral position. The safety interlock system is also designed to shut off the engine if the control levers are moved while the parking brake is on, or if you rise from the seat when the PTO is engaged. Test the safety interlock system each time before you use the machine. Refer to the manual for details. If the safety system does not operate properly, have an authorized service dealer repair it immediately. A rollover protection system, or ROPS for short, is standard equipment with your Exmark mower. For your safety, it is important that the ROPS is in the raised and locked position before you operate the mower. Always fasten and properly adjust your seatbelt when the ROPS is in the raised position. Be aware that there is no rollover protection when the ROPS is down. Check the area to be mowed and never fold the ROPS when mowing in areas where there are slopes, drop-offs, or water. Fold the ROPS down only when absolutely necessary to mow areas with low clearance. Do not wear your seatbelt with the roll bar down. As soon as there is enough clearance for the ROPS, raise and lock the ROPS and refasten your seatbelt. ROPS is not a substitute for driving in the safety zone and making the choice to steer clear of high-risk situations and hazards. Keep the safety zone in mind each and every time you operate your mower. Exmark zero-turn mowers move fast, and react quickly. Avoid the temptation to drive at full speed. Even terrain that looks level can hide ruts and bumps that can cause a fast-moving machine to roll over. Review the area to be mowed. Remove all loose debris that could be thrown by the mower and mark all hazards. Use caution when making turns. Keep your speed under control and operate the control levers with a smooth and even pressure. Your Exmark mower is designed to be exceptionally safe and stable. However, wet grass and terrain changes like drop-offs, hills, and water can create a loss of control and the danger of rollovers or tip-overs. Always avoid these situations by driving in the safety zone. Common drop-offs include retaining walls and drainage areas. Stay wide and give yourself plenty of clearance. Without proper clearance, a wheel could slip over the edge or the ground may give way. Most accidents happen quickly. Stay in the safety zone and avoid these areas. Leave them to be hand-trimmed. Another serious hazard to avoid is water. Surrounding grass can be wet or slippery, which may cause sliding, or the ground may be muddy and unstable. Once again, drive in the safety zone and leave these areas to be hand-trimmed. Stay off hills with a slope greater than 15 degrees. Anything steeper than that is definitely not in the safety zone. This is what 15 degrees looks like. Keep your movements deliberate and steady. Don't make sudden changes in speed or direction. The ramp you use to load and unload your mower is also a slope. Use a full-width ramp that is long enough so that the ground-to-ramp angle does not exceed 15 degrees. When on the ramp, avoid sudden changes in speed and do not attempt to turn. During operation, pay close attention to the direction you are driving, whether forward or in reverse. And watch for traffic when operating near or crossing roadways. Never operate the mower with the discharge deflector raised or removed. Keep aware of the mower discharge direction, making sure not to point it at traffic, housing, or anywhere it may injure someone. When parking your Exmark rider, move the control levers to neutral and push them out to the locked position. Disengage the PTO. Shut off the engine. Set the parking brake and remove the key. Take these precautions every time you leave the mower. When refueling, shut off the machine and allow the engine cool down time. Use only proper containers for refueling. Don't smoke around the machine and never fill the tank while the machine is on a trailer. Use extreme care when using a grass bagger or other attachments. Attachments can change the stability of the machine, which may lead to a loss of control in certain situations. Use only Exmark approved accessories and attachments, and check the manual that came with the attachment for additional safety details. If the discharge deflector was removed from the deck to install an attachment, always reinstall the deflector when the attachment is taken off the mower. Never attempt to clean, unclog, or service the discharge chute or attachment unless the engine is shut off, the key is removed, and all moving parts have come to a stop. Though every Exmark mower is designed with a strong focus on safety, when operating your Exmark mower, You are the one responsible for your safety as well as the safety of those around you. Thank you for your attention, and thank you for choosing Exmark.